DIY doorknob replacement. The simplest step-by-step guide. Whether you want to upgrade your current doorknob or the old one is broken, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and straightforward. No need to hire a professional. With a few basic tools and our easy-to-follow instructions, you'll have a new doorknob installed in no time. Welcome to our DIY doorknob replacement, the simplest step-by-step guide. Are you tired of your outdated or broken doorknob? Well, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the entire process of replacing your doorknob like a pro. Step 1. Gather the tools. Here is a quick list of what you will need. Screwdriver. New doorknob set. Tape measure if installing on a new door. Pencil or marker if installing on a new door. New door only. Measure the backset, which is the distance from the edge of the door to the center of the hole, and mark it with a pencil or marker. New door only. Align the latch with the edge of the door and mark the screw holes. Once you have your tools ready, it's time to remove the old doorknob. With a screwdriver, remove the screws located on the inner side of the doorknob. Gently pull out the old knob from the front side of the door. Remove the screws holding the strike plate in place and take off the plate. Step 3. Prepare for the new doorknob. Now that the old doorknob is removed, let's prepare for the installation of the new one. 1. Take your new doorknob set out of the packaging and separate the components. 4. Using a screwdriver, attach the latch to the door with the provided screws. Step 4. Install the new doorknob. 1. Insert the new doorknob into the front side of the door and align it with the latch. 2. Ensure the knob is in the correct position, vertical or horizontal, and match it with the corresponding hole in the latch. 3. Insert the screws through the knob and tighten them using a screwdriver. 4. Attach the strike plate to the door frame using the provided screws. Just a few more steps to go. 1. Test the new doorknob by turning it and checking if it functions properly. 2. Close and open the door a few times to ensure the latch aligns perfectly with the strike plate. 3. Make any necessary adjustments if the latch doesn't align properly. 4. Double-check the screws on both sides of the doorknob to ensure they're tight and secure. 5. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced your doorknob all by yourself. Now you can enjoy the fresh look and smooth functionality of your new doorknob. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home improvement guides. Thanks for watching.